21. Since the inception in 1998, 21 has come this far with pride. The best in Korea is the best in the world. Creating world best products GP Bond, GP caulking tools, and GP air admittance valve, we are 21 Co. Limited. We have been going through changes in residential environments since 2000. Single-unit houses have been increasingly transformed into high-rise apartment buildings that emerge with more complex and inefficient piping system that requires more spaces and costs. Meanwhile, the waste pipe for toilets and sinks had to take on an increasing amount of waste. In a conventional vent system designed for this issue, losing air volume due to the complicated vent pipeline which the air needed during drainage must flow from the roof penetration and stacked vent pipe to each household along the way. It causes the drainage to slow down and sewage sludge accumulation and harden inside the waste pipe, and the deposits create buildup that can cause backflow. And when multiple households drain at the same time, a strong negative pressure may occur inside the waste pipes and lost water seal with siphon phenomenon, drawing sewer gas and harmful germs through sanitary fixtures. But GP air admittance valve solves them all. Let's take a look. Unlike conventional vent systems, GP Maxi air admittance valve is fitted at the end of drainage standpipe inside buildings without needing to punch the roof. It prevents water and bug invasion. And it is an individual air admittance system, where GP Mini air admittance valve is directly fitted to the horizontal branch pipe without needing to install extensive and complex secondary vent pipes, so it can save spaces and drastically cut down construction costs. Also, it significantly improves drainage airflow by eliminating the problem of poor airflow that occurs in the long pipes running from the rooftop to the horizontal branch pipe, and therefore minimizes the formation of sewage sludge and solid matter inside the pipes, and prevents pipe blockage and backflow, and perfectly blocks sewer gas and harmful germs by protecting water seal. Then, how GP air admittance valve works for protecting from sewer gas and harmful germs. GP air admittance valve is an air check valve that uses an internal spring system instead of natural gravity to open and close the disc membrane. During draining, when negative pressure, namely a pressure lower than air pressure, occurs in the waste pipe, the valve automatically opens immediately to let air in, thereby equalize pressure within the system to facilitate drainage, as well as protect the water seals. When the flow stops and static pressure again, GP air admittance valve closed with internal spring system completely tight the seals to prevent the escape of sewer gas and harmful germs. GP vent valve. Is it hard to install and expensive as much as it is efficient? No. GP air admittance valve can be easily installed onto existing plumbing, and the internal spring system provides seals tight, even when installed on sloped surface. Simply install the GP air admittance valve to better drainage flow and prevent the loss of water seals, backflow, and the escape of sewer gas. 21 is committed to improving human life through constant innovation and technical inventions. Under the philosophy of happy customers, happy employees, with the love of neighbors, we strive for your trust and respect. With advanced technical capabilities and proven abilities, we strive for a top-tier global company. We are 21.